Creating an AI-generated comic and adapting it into a narrated YouTube video involves a structured pipeline, story adaptation, consistent visual generation, panel layout, AI voiceover synthesis, and video assembly. Phase E, AI comic creation pipeline E. Scripting and panel breakdown. Convert your story prose into a panel-by-panel script using AI text models, such as Gemini or ChatGPT. Each panel requires a distinct visual action, camera angle, and character emotion. Prompt format. Example: adapt the following story scene into a 4-panel comic page. Format each panel with shot type, visual description, character emotion, dialogue, and SFX. Image generation and character consistency. Maintaining character consistency across multiple panels is the primary challenge in AI artwork. Dedicated AI comic engines, Dashun Studio 斜线 Llamagen, AI 斜线 Mage, platforms built specifically for panel layout and character consistency across multiple pages. Midjourney 斜线 Stable Diffusion, high visual quality. Use Midjourney's character reference feature, CREF, image URL, or stable diffusion with custom LoRaS to maintain character features. Character reference sheet trick. Before generating panels, create a master character design sheet showing front, side, and expression views. Reference the seed image or prompt structure for every subsequent panel. 3. Panel layout and lettering. Import generated artwork into layout software to assemble panels and add dialogue bubbles. Tool primary function best for Clip Studio Paint. Digital comic and webtoon layout. Professional manga 斜线 comic layouts and lettering. Canva drag and drop template editor. Fast assembly for digital readers. Plastify 斜线 Photoshop layered graphic design. Custom text bubbles, SFX lettering, and color grading. Phase AI voiceover and audio production. E. Select an AI text-to-speech (TTS) generator. Generate natural, emotional voiceovers for character dialogue and background narration. 11 Labs, industry standard for expressive character acting, emotion control, and voice cloning. Use distinct voices for narration versus individual characters. DMF, AI 斜线 Play HT, strong alternatives for clear, natural-sounding voice tracks with granular pitch and speed adjustments. Voice script structuring. Export comic dialogue and narration as a standalone audio script. Insert timing cues, e.g., pause 0.5s, or emotional tags like whispering to align the voice track with visual transitions. Phase 3, YouTube video assembly and publishing. E. Video editing and motion. Comic dub 斜线 motion comic. Convert static comic panels into an engaging video format. 16:9:4 standard YouTube videos or 9:16 for YouTube Shorts. Software: CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro. Camera movement. Apply subtle Ken Burns pan and zoom effects across comic panels to follow the action, e.g., panning from a character's face down to an item in their hand. Sound effects and BGM. Layer ambient sound effects, rain, footsteps, doors closing, under the AI voiceover. To ground the action, Video export specs for YouTube resolution, 1080p, 1920x1080, minimum, 4K, 3840x2160, recommended for crisp comic text rendering. Frame rate, 24fps or 30fps. Format, MP4, H264 video codec, AAC audio codec. 这是第2个测试，确认并行转换和合并。